Hello.
Hi,
What is your name?
my name is Anna. What is your name?
My name is John. Nice to meet you.
Nice to meet you, too.
How are you today?
I'm fine, thank you. And you?
I'm good, thank you.
Where are you from?
I am from Canada. Where are you from?
I am from India.
Do you like Canada?
Yes, I do. It is a beautiful country.
What do you do?
I am a student. What about you?
I am a teacher.
That's nice. What do you teach?
I teach English.
I want to learn English.
That's great. Let's practice together.
Yes, I would like that.
How old are you?
I am 20 years old. And you?
I am 25 years old.
Do you have brothers or sisters?
Yes, I have one brother and one sister. You?
I have one brother.
What is your brother's name?
His name is David.
What does he do?
He is a doctor.
That's amazing.
Thank you.
What do you like to do in your free time?
I like to read books and listen to music.
Me too. I love music.
What kind of music do you like?
I like pop music.
Who is your favorite singer?
My favorite singer is Taylor Swift.
Oh, I like her songs too.
Do you play sports?
Yes, I play football.
Wow, I play basketball.
That's fun.
What time do you wake up?
I wake up at 7 a.m. You?
I wake up at 6:30 a.m.
What do you eat for breakfast?
I eat eggs and toast. What about you?
I eat cereal and fruit.
What is your favorite food?
I love pizza.
Me too. Pizza is delicious.
Yes, what is your favorite drink?
I like orange juice.
I like coffee.
It was nice talking to you.
Yes, see you soon.
See you. Bye.
Bye.
Subscribe to my channel.